You can't imagine how cruel the world is becoming day by day. If you are starving here in this world, nobody will collect your information whether you eat or not. Everybody see your happiness, but nobody will give you a minimum company in the time of your sorrowness and bad days. Here, the successful person get priorities and successful person get sympathy from other people. Because people like the successful person, they are always try to remain in a fantasy, and they always run after money and the successful person. Listen, people, it's their intimate characteristic. They are inborn intimate of characteristic, and they are always try to find out the thing that makes them happy, and they always run after the thing that will helpful for them and that will provide shelter, food, clothes and education, above all comfortable thing in their life. So make yourself such a person for whom or for those people will always will be fantasy, and people will always follow the person. So try to be such kind of person. It's very easy. How is it possible? It's very easy. Try to acquire a skill. Try to gain a skill that is very necessary for yourself and for other people, and you will be able to cope up with this modern world. The world is so much reality. People believe in reality. There's sometimes, yes, it's not unbelievable, and we cannot deny this, is that most of the people always try to remain fantasy, and they always try to remain themselves in a comfort zone. It's very natural, and people always like the successful person and a skilled person. As the word is skilled here come in, I think say something about it. What is skilled? Skilled is something that is help you, and that is very necessary for this modern era, modern world. So what type of skill can you earn or can you gain? It's very simple. The skill that is very important for yourself, and in this moment I can say for one skill, and that is you can learn computer or you can learn English language. These two things is very necessary. In computer you can learn Office program first of all, and then you can learn Photoshop or Photoshop Illustrator, etc. Or you can learn very deeply in graphics work that is very necessary for this modern world. People are doing a lot of work using graphic design. If you are a good, if you are become a good graphic design master, there is no place where you are worthless. Yes, every place, in every place you are worthy person if you are a good in graphic design. People are doing a lot of work after learning graphic design. They are making different kinds of posters, banner, festoons, visiting card, and wedding ceremony card, different things, etc. Also, they are making cartoon, and they are making cartoon, earning a lot of dollars, money. It's very simple and easy, but for those things, for the success, you can try little by little daily. You have to give time for yourself. For yourself, you have to select a good moment that is very appropriate and that will help you to do the certain thing that you want to do every day. We are people very lazy. That is really true, and that is very crystal clear for all of us. But those who bring the success in their life, they overcome these things. Yes, they overcome these things. They overcome their laziness. They overcome their obstacles, and they did it very hardly. They give priority at first themselves, and they got the success ultimately. thank you so much listening to me. See you next time. Bye bye.